I'm here in the patio of the Community Arts Center. You see there's lots of work going on. I love it. So what's happening here and who's doing it?
Our senior seminar, 7th period, is doing their community service project, so they picked this to kind of, redo the landscape.
Aha! Well, it's going to be fabulous. We're so excited about it.
Yeah, and they're hard workers, so they're excited about
That's
it.
wonderful. So what all is going to happen here? We're cleaning stuff. I see that.
Yes, and
We're pulling out all the weeds. Woo.
They're going to put red lava rock under there.
Oh, that'll be wonderful.
And then Levi's bringing the flowers to do all the pots later.
Aha.
And then we're going to paint all the furniture.
Oh, it's going to be so gorgeous. Wow. The community will love it. We love it already. Hey, ladies. So thank you so much for doing this. We just love it. We hope everybody enjoys it. We're having our own kind of hometown takeover thing.
Yes.
You ever watch that?
Yes.
So thank you so much, folks. Have a great day.
Thank you for allowing us.